Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be making a watermelon popsicle and I hope you enjoy it. So the beads that you'll need for this, I'll bring over this pack that I actually showed in my part 1 of my first my first popsicle that I showed. And I did show you what was all in this kit, but I am going to open it as if you bought this one for yourself. What beads would you need out of this kit? You would need the red, and then I also used the green silver lined. Both of these are silver lined. And then I also used the white AB finish beads from this kit, and then the gold, and then again they don't have a black other than this tubular, longer than the other seed beads, so I had to bring in some seed beads that are tenos that I bought from Hobby Lobby in a multi-pack. But you'll need the black, the white, the green, the red, and the gold or a tan sort of color. Now, something I also wanted to mention is for mine, I did use these red beads out of the tube. These are from JoAnns also. This is also from JoAnns. And this is Tenno, and this is the Ruby Silver Line 24 grams. So I think I used this one for the project, but you could definitely use the pack that is in the kit if you bought this kit, and you could make it using those because these are similar. I just had used the ones in the tube. So I'll move this out of the way. So now I'll show you the idea using these beads. Okay, so this is the watermelon popsicle. I do think that this is such a cute grid. I absolutely love this one, and I think that this can be a really fast project to whip up. I'll bring over the popsicle just for reference. And there it is. Again, I used the gold for the popsicle stick part, and then we have the green, the white pearl and color, and then the black dots, and then we also have the red for the watermelon bit. You can also, of course, use pink seed beads or anything like that for the watermelon bit, so it's you can really personalize this project. So this one, you can start on the long row, work your way up, leave enough thread coming down so that you can just start beading on this very end bit. Again, on this one I did do see-through 15 beads to make a see-through loop so I could dangle this from anything. This is a really fun summer design that you can whip up super fast. So that is the brick stitch grid. I also wanted to mention that Artbeads has more grid paper that you can choose from. They have brick stitch with cylindrical beads, and then they also have brick stitch with round beads. I'm using the round bead one because the beads I'm using are just regular seed beads, but if you had perfect Toho beads, you could definitely use the cylindrical bead grid. All of those papers are free to print off, so that's really wonderful. So there it is, the watermelon popsicle design. Thank you so much for watching this video. In the description box below, I'll be linking Artbeads free printable graph paper along with their how to brick stitch video. I also will be linking my previous popsicle seed bead cutie video in the description box below. I hope that you enjoyed this. Thanks for watching. Bye.